Searching is all about finding the right data efficiently. Different collections in C# use different search strategies, including linear, binary, and hash-based searches. A linear search will check the items one by one using contains or defined methods which work on any collection. A binary search is much faster but only works on sorted arrays. Hash lookups are the fastest, giving essentially instant results. With LINK, you can search in a clean, expressive way using different methods like first or default, single, or where methods. First or default is safer because it returns null or a default value instead of throwing an exception when nothing is found, making your code more robust. Linear search is ON, meaning it grows with the collection size. Binary search is O log of n, which is much faster for large collections, and hash lookup is O1, giving constant time.